Kuala and one is before the cyber crime. Now, my lord, frankly speaking, this is only, my lord, to put pressure on the petitioner, who's an anchor of Republic Bharat. Republic Bangla. This is a factual report. There are no assertions which in any way disclose the offences which are alleged, which are under the new BNS 196, 197. My lord, there's an urgency in these petitions, in as much as, my lord, there's a threat to arrest. There are FIRs filed in 2 police stations. One is Iqbalpur and one is before the cyber crime. Now, my lord, frankly speaking, this is only, my lord, to put pressure on the petitioner, who's an anchor of Republic Bharat. Republic Bangla. Now, my lord, this is a factual report. There are no assertions which in any way disclose the offences which are alleged, which are under the new BNS 196, 197, which correspond to the old 153A. There's been a factual reporting of, my lord, what happened in Murshidabad and nothing else. No aspersions are cast on any religion. And still, my lord, an FIR has been filed against against an anchor. My lord, factual reporting without trying to create any communal disharmony can never amount to the offences which have been alleged in this FIR. So, my lord, and the other point is, my lord, that there's a number of FIRs. We don't know. We've got 2 at the moment, but we've had threats that there will be 100 FIRs. 1,000 FIRs. I stand corrected. So, my lord, this kind of, my lord, disproportionate recourse to the law and unwarranted recourse to the law, my lord, I respectfully submit, needs some intervention by your lordship to protect somebody who's done no more than his job of reporting factual events, which are serious events. My lord, there are threats of murder, there are threats to burn the petitioner's office.
No, so far as that is concerned, Advocate General has assured the court that will not be done. But so far as the FIR is concerned, where is the letter of complaint, which is a report addition?
Yes, sir, the 2, one is at page
69 capital A.
Yeah, 69 capital A is the Iqbalpur one. And the other one,
Page 125.
Page 125. Well, the assertions are the same. They arise out of the same broadcast on Republic Bangla.
So far this 125 is concerned, this is by my...
Who is there? You were there, Mr. Banerjee?
Yes.
The report has been prepared as if they want prompt action. The de facto complaint is not the petitioner over here. The report is in the nature that the de facto complaint wants prompt investigation.
No,
you see the contents of the report?
I've seen that. I've seen that. I'll come with a further report. But Lordship, kindly consider, after perusing the Lord, he's anchoring. Everybody has seen through media. He's anchoring, he is pose of anchoring, and he's a provocateur. Lordship should not entertain this application. Should not.
Every news channel.
Yes.
You will say, like to comment on this.
His anchoring should be seized by the authority.
You want to cut off my anchoring. That's the entire point.
That all seculars should
freedom of speech should go to.
This is called reporter. The reporting is a very same. Secularism should be out of the constitution. And who is he? Why weightage will be given? We are hard. No, weightage will be given. 35(3) notice has been given. Let him go. Let him go to the investigation. Cooperate with the investigation.
In rains, no doubt. On this site of
kindly, your lordship, kindly see. Today, কুসুম কিসের কুসুম লজ্জা লাগে না গান্ডে পিণ্ডে আপনি এই মুহূর্তে গিলবেন গান্ডে পিণ্ডে ভারতের খাবেন ভারতের থালা ফুটো করবেন বেরিয়ে যান যদি আপনার মনে হয় আপনি সেকুলার আর জবাব চাই বাংলা থেকে বেরিয়ে যান কাল দেশ থেকে বেরিয়ে যান Isn't this a threat?
তুই কুসুম কিসের কুসুম এই একই বৃন্তে তুই কুসুম কিসের কুসুম লজ্জা লাগে না গান্ডে পিণ্ডে এই মুহূর্তে আপনারা গিলবেন গান্ডে পিণ্ডে ভারতের খাবেন আর ভারতের থালাতে ফুটো করবেন বেরিয়ে যান যদি আপনার মনে হয় যে আপনি সেকুলার আর জবাব চাই বাংলা থেকে বেরিয়ে যান কাল দেশ থেকে বেরিয়ে যান কারণ ভারতের সংবিধান থেকে সেকুলারিজম ওয়ার্ডটাকে সরিয়ে দিতে হবে অনেক হয়েছে সেকুলারিজম কোনোদিন আমাদের ভারতবর্ষ ছিল না আমাদের ভারতবর্ষ টুকরো হয়েছিল দ্বিজাতি তত্ত্বের উপর এই নিকপশু পানা অনেক বছর হয়েছে ইন্দিরা গান্ধী শুরু করেছে এই সেকুলারিজম ওয়ার্ড বন্ধ করুন বদলে দিন কিসের সেকুলারিজম আর কতগুলো বলি হবে সেকুলারিজমের জন্য সব সেকুলারিজম সব ধর্ম নিরপেক্ষতার ঠিকানা রয়েছে জানো হিন্দুরা, আর অন্য কারোর সেকুলারিজম মেনটেন করার, আর অন্য কারোর সেকুলারিজম বজায় রাখার কোন ধরনের কোনো ইচ্ছা নেই। যত সেকুলারিজম হিন্দুদের ক্ষেত্রে, আর হিন্দুরা বলি হবে, হিন্দুরা কচুকাটা হবে, মুর্শিদাবাদ থেকে কাশ্মীর। আবারও বলছি, না পোষালে বেরিয়ে যান। সেকুলারদের বলছি, ভারতে না পোষালে গেট আউট।
And he is saying before the court that he has been threatened by the
Some of the reporter.
he has been threatened by the police.
But what is the threat? I'm not able to understand how they are threatened by this.
Let's go out of the
He
country.
has only said that if this is the kind of secularism you leave, he's not going to throw you out. He doesn't have the power to throw you out like the state of West Bengal.
He will get up advantage. No, certainly not.
They're proud to be Indian.
And he's anchoring his reporting should be ceased.
Huh?
Eliminate.
So what is difference between Ekbalpur case and the Tirthankar case? Tell me.
So it's the same, this same allegation.
Your Lordship, when he has come before this honorable court, the 35-3 notice.
No, but you cannot. One thing, on the first day when the first application was made, on the same contents, if there are thousands or lakhs of FIR, I said that give it to the centralized agencies. Let them do that. You cannot expect.
But your Lordship should not give any protection to him.
That I will consider.
My lord, my lord.
Then
But he is the person, everybody.
that I will consider as a hearing matter that I'll consider. But then from
And we want to learn secular from that Moikronian.
you tell me one thing. I have.
Nobody should not appear for him. Nobody should not appear.
All right, you do.
Yes, please don't do that. That's contrary to the bar council for you to make that statement. It's contrary to the Advocates Act. Don't say nobody should appear for him. Everybody has the right to appear.
Thank you.
Challenge the constitution.
Nobody should appear for him.
Not adding these sections.
He should be thrown out. He should be thrown out from India.
That is your intolerance. That is precisely your intolerance.
Yes, yes, Mr. Malani. That Malani
You can't take a converse opinion to yours.
can't help him. Who is actually against it.
That is the poverty of your thinking.
Yeah,
That if somebody says something that this is not secularism, all he has said, in sum and substance, what he has said is this is not secularism, and this is the secularism. You should leave the country. There's nothing else. And that's an opinion which he's entitled to have.
Yes.
You may not like it, you may not be able to swallow it, but that is the law of this country. There's freedom of expression, and you can't throttle it, nor can the government.
Speech and expression protects.
So you are spoiling the court, sir.
Run secular from
All of you are spoiling the dignity of the High Court.
Kindly consider one aspect.
No,
Can this?
sir, you cannot on the same incident 1000
No, I am not on that, my lord. I am asking whether this is an cognizable offence or not. I am on that.
That I will consider. I have said finally, but the thing remains: if there are 1000 FIRs, bring it to a one central point.
That your lordship can.
Regarding the
That is my
intrinsic of the letter of complaint afterwards. There is a simple thing I said on the last occasion.
That will, but without giving any protection.
And first bring it to a centralized wherever.
Let me first bring the information that how many FIRs are there, madam.
And
Now they have themselves come to know of there may be one or two more. There will not be 1000, madam. I understand it's a ballpark figure you're largely referring to. It will be something.
that happened in Vinod Dua's case. Earlier date I gave.
Goswami's case.
But it happened in the same petitioner's case earlier. In Bombay, from the Bombay High Court, the same thing happened.
No, that is
Habitual offender. Habitual offender.
Yeah.
Sir, no.
I have said
Arnab Goswami. It's not Arnab
Arnab
Goswami, not Navin.
one umbrella. Then we will check whether, according to the background of Kedarnath's case, whether this is an offence.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That is a separate testing I will do. That's a separate part. But first organize that, because prima facie it reflects on the set of events which were covered. All the FIRs have been registered.
Right.
So let one particular officer or one agency, a central place, try that. 35-3 notices is required. You issue from that place. A person cannot be roaming and hopping around each and every police station.
We are with your lordship.
When can you inform? Tomorrow, Mr.
Tomorrow day after, madam. Kindly take it according to lordship.
Tomorrow.
At the same time, my lord, I request your lordship also to examine one aspect.
I'm not
That
examining
what
anything.
should be the ambit of this anchoring? By the name of anchoring, somebody can propagate this kind of things, which is basically nothing except altering the position of the constitution.
Mr. Jetmalani is appearing in this matter only. 214.
In 10,379 of 2020.
Mr. Jetmalani, learned senior advocate, appears on behalf of the petitioner. Mr. appears on behalf of the state. You are appearing for whom?
I am appearing for Lordship Sujoy Mondol
He is respondent number 6.
In this matter.
de facto complainant, the Bidhan Mohammed.
Mr. Chatterjee appears for respondent number 6. There are other writ petitions which have been filed. And earlier it was informed, earlier it was directed verbally by this court, so that all the FIRs which are registered against the petitioner and
other officers of ARG Outlier Media Private Limited.
other officers of ARG Outlier Media Private Limited in respect of the same incident complained of be investigated aid under or with in the jurisdiction of one police station or investigating agency. Whatever you please, sir. Tomorrow or day after, which will be convenient.
Either way, but it is reported by
Later report aid on 14 of May 2025, 115. Will go. 4 p.m. I'm going at 4:30. And also 45 minutes, sir. This is the difficulty.
1 p.m.
Huh?
1 p.m.
At 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. tomorrow, sir, I'm keeping the matter.
1 p.m. tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
I'm good. I'm good. Malad, I suppose till then they won't take any action. Any of the police stations, Malad.
No, they will not take
Don't, I am objective to that.
it. Huh? No protection.
But this is not the French Revolution, Malad. I don't know what they're doing. This is the rule of law. I'm entitled to protection till consolidation takes place.
Mr. Malani, you are appearing, kindly learn him. For rule of law.
Learn him means what?
No, he doesn't know rule of law.
Let the reputation be listed under the same. Let the reputation be listed under the same heading.
But you
No, not now. Tomorrow I'll change the heading.
because Mr. Bondopadhyay is appearing in that matter.
Yes.
No, that matter, other one may also be posted, Malad, that is 9623.
Another thing, tomorrow you also will be taking up the matter so that we can prepare our arguments also.
No. Only centralize.
Okay. On the issue of centralized.
Agency, but may not be central agency.
I think they're going to guillotine.
If you pray for them, it's
Not at all.
आ जाए কি তাহলে এই পরোটা দিয়ে দাও একটা সময় করে থাকবে দুটোই হ্যাঁ ওই পরোটা দিয়ে
এটা ওই সাইড থেকে
একটা সময় হ্যাঁ
Malani will be making some prayers for interim orders. Then tomorrow.
Yes.
Malad, 9623 may appear along with this.
হ্যাঁ না for orders both the matter
Your lordship kindly take note of it, but interim order, not I am objecting to that.
আরে tomorrow
Or today or tomorrow, I will object.
Yes.
Yes, because no weightage will be given
আচ্ছা
to
ঠিক
a
আছে
person who is coming with Jetpalani or somebody else.
ঠিক আছে make names in the councils as judges. This is a new habit coming over here. কি আছে
If you're allergic to me, I'll send somebody else. I don't mind.
come tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
I'm obliged, sir.